Canva frequently expands its library of apps that you can test before subscribing to them. And some of these apps are fun additions that can enhance any of your graphic design projects. One of the interesting apps you can test right now is called VoxelArt. And as you might guess, it allows you to apply a VoxelArt effect to your images. And to be honest, it's easy to use. So, let me show you how to use it. First, open any project in Canva. Once you have a blank canvas, go to the left sidebar and select the Apps section. When the search box appears, type VoxelArt into it. Now, you should see the VoxelArt tool, so click on it and accept the terms of use. Once done, you have only one option. This is to upload a file and then wait until the app creates the VoxelArt effect. And I highly recommend using an image without a background to achieve the maximum effect. And when I promised that this app was easy to use, I wasn't lying. This is indeed all you can do with it. You just upload an image and wait until the app makes the effect. However, the downside of using the VoxelArt app in Canva is that you have a limited number of credits. If you run out of them, you must either wait a day until they refresh or buy more credits using the link below the counter. However, it is quite expensive and it costs around $8 per 100 credits, which translates to 100 images. And I understand that there can be demand, but when you know how to use any AI image generator, you can create a VoxelArt effect within your subscription, which can give you more than 100 images. So, but again, it is a simple way to apply the VoxelArt effect to any image in Canva. And if you found this short video tutorial helpful, consider liking it or even subscribing to the channel. And feel free to leave a comment, and I will do my best to reply.